Hi, let me show you how to enable or disable Safari Incognito private browsing on iPhone 16e. So firstly, we need to, of course, find Safari. And right now, you need to tap on this icon with two squares to open tabs. And if you want to enable private browsing, then from this section you need to switch to private by tapping it. And after that you can click on plus, add new tab, and as you can see, Safari is designed with privacy in mind by preventing tracking by default. It adds additional privacy protections for all your private tabs. And after you close a tab, Safari won't remember the pages you visited, your search history, or your autofill information. To disable private browsing, tap on those tabs again and switch back to normal mode. If you cannot see this option for private, then we need to check something in settings. So let's go in settings. Here we need to find tab screen time and then go in content and privacy restrictions. So from here pick this third section, App Store, Media, Web and Games. And then go in web content and make sure to select unrestricted. And now everything should work just fine. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.